Understanding flat out in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, flat out. It's an interesting expression that English speakers use quite often. So, let's dive right in. Flat out originally refers to being completely flat or spread out on a surface. Imagine a pancake on a skillet. It's flat and spread out completely. This gives a sense of something being full or to the maximum. In everyday English, flat out has taken on several meanings. 1. At full speed or with maximum effort. For example, if someone says, "I was driving flat out to reach on time," it means they were driving as fast as they could. 2. Completely or absolutely. When someone says, "I am flat out tired," it means they are extremely tired. 3. To say no in a straightforward manner. For instance, I asked her for a favor, but she flat out refused. This means she refused without any hesitation. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. He was working flat out to finish the project on time. Here, it means he was giving his maximum effort. 2. I am flat out broke. In this context, it means the person has absolutely no money. 3. She flat out denied any involvement in the scheme. Here, she denied without beating around the bush. 1. Context is key. Depending on the situation, flat out can mean different things. So always pay attention to the context. 2. It's informal. Remember, this phrase is informal. It's great for casual conversations but might not be suitable for very formal settings. There you have it. Now you understand the phrase, flat out, and its various uses in English. I hope this makes your English journey a tad bit smoother. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!